Did you know some of the most viral YouTube videos with millions of views use thumbnails that weren't made by pro designers? They were made with AI in just 2 minutes. And I just discovered the tool behind it. It's called Pikzels, and it might change how you make thumbnails forever. If you're a YouTuber or just starting out, you already know how important thumbnails are. They can make or break your video. But not everyone has the time, money, or design skills to make amazing thumbnails. What if I told you there's now a simple tool powered by AI that lets anyone make viral-style thumbnails like Mr. Beast or Mark Rober without Photoshop, without design skills, and in under 2 minutes? Let me show you exactly how this works and why I think Pikzels is the best YouTube thumbnail generator out there. Let me take you behind the scenes. I was doing research on top-performing YouTube videos, and I noticed something crazy. Videos with thumbnails made using Pikzels had millions of views, and here's the catch. They weren't made by expensive designers. They were made by typing a simple sentence. Say hello to Pikzels, the ultimate thumbnail AI tool maker. Forget expensive thumbnail designers. This cheap and easy-to-use AI thumbnail generator lets you create thumbnails like this and this or this in just 2 minutes. Pikzels lets you choose from all the top-performing thumbnail types: action thumbnails, perspective thumbnails, face and object combinations, thumbnails with bold, clickable text, and even remakes of viral thumbnails just by pasting in the YouTube link. There are 4 options. First, prompt the thumbnail feature, then recreate the thumbnail feature, and then face swap and title generator. First is the prompt thumbnail feature, where you submit text and create a thumbnail. Let's try the first prompt thumbnail feature. Let's use this prompt first, and click generate. You can see now how beautiful this thumbnail is. And you should notice now how fast and cheap this is to make compared to if you don't use this AI tool. If you don't like this thumbnail, you can use the redo button and create a new thumbnail. You can, by clicking here, make image larger. You could also change the thumbnail style to cartoon style, for example. Then just click the generate button. Look how great this thumbnail is in cartoon style. You can download the thumbnail here by clicking this button. You can use the next recreate feature. With this feature, you can replicate the existing thumbnail. Just paste a YouTube link here. Let's choose inspiration weight to high. I will replicate this thumbnail from the How To AI YouTube channel. The thumbnail has been created with Pikzels, very similar to the How To AI YouTube channel thumbnail. This time, let's choose inspiration weight to low. Let's click the generate button and see what will happen next. Very similar but different same way. Next, let's try the face swap feature. With this, you can change faces. Let's use this person's thumbnail. Let's use this person's face to apply face swap. Now let's upload thumbnail and person's picture that we can use face swap. And then let's click generate. Now you can see that the face swap feature works well, and it is very accurate. There is monthly and annual plan option. If you choose annual plan, you save 30%. You can try free option first 5 thumbnails. There's 3 options: essential, premium, and ultimate. The premium is most popular. If you want to make sure you don't waste money and want to try this AI tool, I recommend that you choose the essential plan, and then if you like it, you can choose the premium plan. Sketch to thumbnail and thumbnail enhancer features were not available yet when I was recording this video. Pros and cons. Pros. Fast and easy to use. No design skills needed. It is perfect for beginners. Sometimes requires multiple generations for ideal results. So if you want to start creating viral-worthy thumbnails that actually get people to click without spending hours editing or hiring anyone, go try Pikzels right now. It's fast, fun, and honestly kind of addictive. Whether you're making videos about cars, travel, tech, or even sharks, Pikzels gives you the power to look like a pro with just a few words. Give it a shot. Your next viral video might just start with a thumbnail made by Pikzels. Design awesome thumbnails without the hassle. Try Pikzels for just $1, limited time only. Click the link in the description.